peek through the sky. Walked out to the old truck, rubbed the sleep from my eyes. There stood Rossie the chukar by the rusty old wheel, staring at his reflection like it was a big deal. Oh, Rossie, Rossie, what do you see? A handsome little bird or a celebrity? You puffed out your feathers and struck a fancy pose, spent 3 whole hours admiring your own nose. The cows were laughing, the goats thought it was wild. Rossie fell in love with Rossie for a while. He tilted his head left, then he tilted it right, checked every feather in the morning sunlight. He strutted in a circle, gave a wink and a grin. I swear that bird was practicing for a beauty pageant win. Oh, Rossie, Rossie, what do you see? A handsome little bird or a celebrity? You puffed out your feathers and struck a fancy pose, spent 3 whole hours admiring your own nose. The cows were laughing, the goats thought it was wild. Rossie fell in love with Rossie for a while. The chickens rolled their eyes and the donkey shook his head. The barn cat whispered that bird's got feathers in his head. But Rossie kept on posing, didn't care what they would say. That tire was his mirror, and he owned the runway. Oh, Rossie, Rossie, king of the farm, trying to impress himself with his natural charm. By the old truck tire from dawn to nearly noon, he was singing love songs to his own reflection tune. And if you walk outside tomorrow, don't be surprised to find Rossie still standing there, admiring Rossie.